there, it's Denise Duffield-Thomas here, author of the book Chill and Prosper. And I have such exciting news that I am coming to the UK in November for a 2-day workshop in Bristol, one of my favorite cities. Now, what are we going to talk about in this 2-day workshop? Well, I am known for helping people to grow businesses in the easiest way possible. So no matter if you are starting out or if you have an established business or if you have a huge business, we're going to talk about how you can tweak every single part of your business to make it easier for you so you can chill and prosper. Now, here's the thing though, that's going to be different for every single person. So if you've been struggling in business because you have built your business following someone else's business model or doing marketing like everyone else and feeling like it's just not working for you, well, that's when you need to learn to chill and prosper. And that doesn't mean just being on a laptop in Bali. It means designing every part of your business that works for you, your personality, your family situation, your energy, all of those things. And then you can find the path of least resistance. Now, of course, a lot of blocks are going to come up for you. So of course, we're going to be talking about money blocks and how to overcome some of those pesky mindset issues that come up when you're starting or growing a business, because that can feel really, really hard, but it's not insurmountable. The other cool thing about the day is that you will meet lots of other amazing entrepreneurs. You might find your business bestie in that group as well. So I would love to see you in Bristol in November. And if you want to grab your tickets, you can get them on this page if you're watching this on the sales page, or go to denisedt.com/UK live and grab your ticket. They will sell out. Come and be part of our beautiful community and learn how you can chill and prosper. I'll see you there.